The dream of financial freedom often seems elusive. We work hard, climb the corporate ladder, yet the feeling of true financial security can remain out of reach. The secret to unlocking this freedom lies in diversifying your income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income, such as a traditional 9-to-5 job, leaves you vulnerable to unforeseen circumstances like job loss, economic downturns, or unexpected expenses. By creating multiple income streams, you not only increase your earning potential but also build a safety net, reduce financial stress, and gain greater control over your life. Here are 6 powerful income stream ideas to help you achieve financial freedom. Number 1. Freelancing. Leverage your skills. Offer your skills as a writer, editor, graphic designer, web developer, virtual assistant, consultant, or coach. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking your expertise. Flexibility. Freelancing offers flexibility and allows you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Remember to hit subscribe for weekly wealth creation tips. Number 2. Sell products online. Explore platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon to sell handmade goods, digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, or dropship products. Build a brand. Create a strong online presence and build a loyal customer base. Number 3. Real estate investing. Rental properties. Generate passive income by renting out properties you own, such as apartments, houses, or vacation rentals. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Invest in companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. Airbnb. Rent out a spare room, apartment, or vacation home on platforms like Airbnb. Number 4. Online courses and coaching. Share your expertise. Create and sell online courses, webinars, or coaching programs on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific. Build a community. Engage with your students and provide ongoing support and mentorship. Number 5. Content creation. Build an audience. Create and share valuable content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or your own blog. Monetize your content. Generate income through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or offering coaching services to your followers. Number 6. Investing. Explore different investment options. Invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, index funds, or other investment vehicles. Long-term growth. Focus on long-term growth and consistent investing to build wealth over time. Key considerations. Identify your skills and interests. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Research and validate your ideas. Thoroughly research each income stream idea and assess its potential profitability. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, target audience, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Start small and gradually scale. Begin with 1 or 2 income streams and gradually add more as you gain experience and resources. Be patient and persistent. Building multiple income streams takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Building multiple income streams is not just about making more money. It's about creating a life of freedom and fulfillment. It's about gaining control over your finances, reducing financial stress, and pursuing your passions. By diversifying your income sources, you can achieve financial freedom and create a life on your own terms. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey towards financial freedom. Continuously learn, adapt, and explore new opportunities to achieve your financial goals. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more wealth creation tips. Bye.